See, it's a strange news because they themselves have withdrawn the second inquiry, which was initiated after the first inquiry has given me clean chit for all the charges of medical negligence and corruption. On 6th of August 2021, in the court itself, Allahabad High Court, they have submitted an affidavit stating that they are withdrawing the clean chit. 63 kids died because of government didn't pay 68 lakh rupees. 8 people got suspended. 7 have got reinstated. I, despite of getting clean chit by 7 different inquiries, and Allahabad High Court is stating that there is not a single evidence against Dr. Kafil of corruption and medical negligence. Still I got terminated because I will speak with these papers, okay? Because to save these people, this is the letter written on 6th of April 2017 by the Puspa Sale to the Chief Minister, the Health Minister, and to all officials asking for his dues. On 9th of August, the day before the tragedy happened, the Puspa Sale has clearly written, if you won't give me 68 lakh rupees, I am going to stop the liquid oxygen supply. And that's what happened. Liquid oxygen suddenly stopped and so many kids died. If you see this chart, medical liquid oxygen supply was for the whole department, whole medical college. It's not only the pediatric department. It just happened that I went to that night and I tried to save those kids. And I'm still saying I'm not a hero. It's so many junior doctors, nurses and ward boys, they also work with me for 54 hours continuously. Still, out of 400, we could not save 63 kids.
Doctor, after 4 years, the suspect is coming. Recently, elections are coming in UP. So, this is a resentment of the government against you.
See, I think for me, any injustice done to anywhere, we should speak up. It's not about my fight. It's about the wrongdoing by a government which is in power. And power is pure and poisonous. The way they are treating minorities and the Dalits and everywhere in UP you can see. So you can say that if you remember when I came out of Mathura jail, when the Allahabad High Court and Supreme Court has quashed my NSA and stating that my speech was about the integrity and unity of India. That time itself I said that he is acting like a stubborn child. So, yes, you can say, why to terminate me when they are going back after 4 months? The election is in February and is terminating me from my job despite not finding any fault after 7 different inquiries.
Doctor, what is the next move? Do you suspect any political vendetta?
You can say they are treating me like a punching bag, you know. My brother was shot. My brother was shot near the Chief Minister residence within 500 meters. And even after 3 years, not even a single arrest, no investigation. Who tried to kill? And that's when they say that when the Chief Minister is there is a security protocol. Not even a bird can go. कहते हैं परिंदा भी पर नहीं मार सकता. So then what happened to the first inquiry when they gave the clean chit? Why to start the second inquiry when I got absolved from all the charges? So I don't know what is there because he is a chief minister, I am just a doctor. There's so much speculation about me politically aligned with those so many political parties, but nothing happened. I have not shared any public meeting with any political parties.
Doctor, what is the next move against this termination?
See, the moment I will get the official letter, because these news have come from the media itself. Principal Secretary Alok Kumar himself has announced to the media, has not sent me the official letter. Yesterday, on 10th of November, there was a hearing in Allahabad High Court. In that hearing also, they have not presented any paper of me terminating from the job. So this is again some fishy thing that terminating a government employee which is selected by Uttar Pradesh Public Commission through media person, you know. So you can just imagine, but the next moment, the moment I'll get my official termination letter, I'll move to court. I have a full faith in judiciary and the constitutional right we have given. I will fight for that.
Doctor, one more question. It's the out of the box question, not right now. The election is coming, you are out of the terminator, you are a very big figure for both the right wing and the Congress and other parties also. Are you planning to contest against
No, I am not contesting any election. See, my motto is for health for all. I'm campaigning for the past 3 years since I came out of the BRD oxygen tragedy, 9 months of incarceration. I'm trying to do health for all campaign, which is that every Indian citizen, irrespective of caste, creed, region, socio-economic status, and disability, gender bias, they should have health facility within 2 to 3 kilometers of their home, what WHO says. I have gone to Kerala. I have gone to, I worked 12 years in Karnataka. The taluk level, the primary health center is far better than what we have in North India. What you call cow belt, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam and West Bengal. So the primary health center, which is the backbone of any health system, is broken. You can compare the infant mortality rate is 6 in Kerala and is 46 in UP. So there is a vast difference.